Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I will explain to you about the first assignment of IoT Practicum. But before we continue, let me introduce myself. My name is Achmad Azril Mutawazin, and my study number is 123-2058. So first thing first, here we have the 7 segment push button, and also two of these resistor with the power of 220 ohm. So I connect all those pins starting from A until G in this Arduino with the digital pin starting from 3 until the 11th, where the 10 pin are connected with the push button and the 11 pin are connected into the decimal points here. I also connect this ground with the negative rail and also the 5-volt into the positive rail here. So in this circuit, we will have this anode mode where I connect the 7 segment into the resistor that connected into the positive rail here. That we will have the turn off the light mode that have the high value. So which means that if we state that the lights are high, then it will turn off the light here. Okay, we're gonna next into the code. So we have this initialization here, starting from A until the push button here. It is the same as this circuit here, starting from 3 until the 11th. And also for the counter, that will count our click for the push button and the button up state with which mean which mean the uh, state that we are looking exactly right now, or the when you want to click the pins, and also the last state of the push button, which mean are 0. So we're gonna have our mode starting from 0 and will last into the 0, and it will just loop all over and over again. So for the function setup here, we just initialize the pin mode starting from A until the decimal point here. It is all the same. And for the loop function, we're gonna start the button state here, where the button state are digitally read the push button from the 10th pin here, and also read the push button status, which if the push button are not the last, then it will continue into this if these push button are click or have the high value, and if these we are count into the last or the fourth mode, then it will start over again with the 0 and start plusing, and we after we end the count into 4, it will start over again with 1. So we will start with 1 but not 0 after the loops. Uh, and also display the number or the my fourth last student number, which is the 0058, with the delay of 100 millisecond for each click. And if it is not clicked, it will show the off state and with the delay of tens, and also display the number again. So for the display number function here, we will put the state for the push button, where what state are exactly we are. So if it is the first state, it will display case 0, because we start from 0 and show all of these like are turned off, and it will break until we clicked again, and also continue for the number 1 and so on until the number my last number, which is the 8, where all of these light are turned on. And also because 4 and 2 are the even number, then we gonna have this decimal point are on, as you can see here. Uh, let's continue to the demo here. As you can see here, it will turn off all the lights for the start, and zero and zero again with the decimal points are on because it is the even number, and v5 and also the 8. And if we click again, it will start over until zero again. I think that's all for my explanation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.